black diamonds, also known as Carbonado diamonds, are among the rarest and most mysterious gemstones in the world. Unlike transparent white diamonds, Carbonado diamonds are opaque, porous, and have a unique polycrystalline structure. Because of their unusual appearance, many people confuse them with volcanic rocks, black quartz, or synthetic stones. In this article, you will discover safe and easy home tests to help you determine whether a black diamond is real or fake without expensive laboratory equipment. What is a black diamond, Carbonado? Carbonado is a natural black diamond formed deep within the earth, possibly due to meteorite impacts or unique geological conditions. It is mainly found in Brazil and Central Africa. Key characteristics of real black diamonds: deep black or dark grey colour, opaque, does not allow light to pass through, extremely hard, Mohs hardness of 10, often rough and irregular in shape, strong sparkle when light hits the surface. 1. Visual inspection test. Start by closely examining the stone under strong natural light. What to look for? A real black diamond has a metallic or oily luster. Surface may look rough with small pits or pores. Sparkle appears as tiny flashes, not glass-like shine. Warning: if the stone looks smooth, dull, or plastic-like, it may be fake or another mineral. 2. Water density test. This is a simple and effective test you can do at home. Steps: 1. Fill a glass with clean water. 2. Drop the stone into the water. Results: real black diamond sinks immediately. Fake stones or imitations may float or sink slowly. This works because diamonds are very dense. 3. Scratch test with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. How to test? Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. Interpretation: if it scratches the glass easily, it may be a real diamond. If it fails or leaves no mark, it is likely fake. Important: do not use this test on polished or valuable stones, as it may cause damage. 4. Heat resistance test. Diamonds can withstand extreme heat. Steps: 1. Heat the stone with a lighter for 30 to 40 seconds. 2. Immediately place it in cold water. Results: a real diamond will not crack or break. Fake stones may crack, shatter, or change colour. Use caution and safety gloves during this test. 5. Magnet test. Carbonado diamonds may contain trace iron inclusions. How to test? Bring a strong magnet close to the stone. Results: slight magnetic reaction may occur, normal for Carbonado. Strong attraction may indicate a different mineral. 6. Oil or water drop test. Diamonds repel water and oil. Steps: place a drop of water or oil on the surface. Results: on a real diamond, the drop maintains its shape. On fake stones, the liquid spreads quickly. Common fake black diamond materials. Many stones are mistaken for Carbonado, such as black quartz, obsidian, black onyx, synthetic lab-grown diamonds, glass or resin. These materials lack the extreme hardness and unique structure of real black diamonds. When home tests are not enough, home tests can give you a strong indication, but only a professional gemologist can confirm authenticity using thermal conductivity testers, microscopic analysis, spectroscopy. If your stone has high value, professional testing is highly recommended. Final conclusion. Testing black diamonds, Carbonado, at home is possible using simple, safe and practical methods. By combining visual inspection, water density, scratch resistance and heat testing, you can confidently distinguish between real and fake stones.